Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, back again with another DJI video, and this is a question that I had after my first DJI Neo flight, and many of y'all vocalized: how do you tilt the DJI Neo's camera down and up? How do you control DJI Neo's camera tilt, whether you're tilting the camera down or tilting the camera up? Well, I'm going to show you within this video. It was hiding right in front of my face, and admittedly is a little bit confusing. And you know, people are like, man, you don't know what you're doing, you can't even tilt the camera up and down, you say you know drones, you don't know anything about drones. I've been flying drones since DJI Phantom 1, but with every drone, DJI Phantom 1 through present, there's always a learning opportunity. So, you know, simple things like this, it'd be easy to be ridiculed, but man, you don't know nothing about drones. But the reality is that you know, every drone is different. Although every DJI drone is similar, every DJI drone is different, and that includes the not just the flight dynamics, but you know, some of the control things. And I mean, with this, obviously, as you know, I mean, I'm using the in-app interface. You can pair this DJI Neo to the controller, but I'm strictly using my iPhone because I feel that's the best use case for the DJI Neo. So you know, using the iPhone, what I'm going to show you within this video here, let me record the screen here so y'all can see it. Okay, so screen's recording. Okay, now I'm going to put it in manual control mode and hit record. 1, 2, 3. And it's recording. So now I'm going to take this sucker off. I'm the drone evangelist, and obviously I'm in a safe and responsible flying location. So let's go ahead and take off here manually. Let's take this sucker off. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to take it out a little bit here, and I'm going to show you the up and down. Now I'm over the raccoon area. George Cooney the raccoon, arguably the most famous raccoon in the world. So to tilt the camera down towards the right of the display here, where you see the timer counting up at the bottom, 53, 54, see those little arrows faintly visible towards the right? What you got to do is hold your finger down on that. Then you'll see this 0. 0 means level. To the right of that up and down arrow, hold your finger down on it and then drag down to tilt the camera down while continuing to hold. You can see there's George Cooney the raccoon's area. If you've watched George Cooney the raccoon's videos, you know that he comes up, that's his mountain right there. He climbs up that part of the mountain, and he and George Cooney's crew, they come up and they eat. So that's where George Cooney is. He's nocturnal, he's a raccoon, so he's not there right now. And now you can continue to go up, and you can point up towards the sky. So while continuing to hold down, you can see here, now I'm bringing the camera back down. You can see the number. Okay, 0's level, then it goes to negative, which means it's going down. There's George Cooney the raccoon's area, and that's the downwardmost position. That's the little rocky ledge that George Cooney the raccoon and crew will climb to grab their tasty treats. Okay, so now we can pull back up. Let's put it back to 0, just so it's level. I know it doesn't matter. It's not like, oh, you know, if you're not at 0, you can't fly. Yes, you can. Okay, now it's back at 0. So now we'll just do a few quick maneuvers. Look at that. Maneuver this sucker back and forth. But I mean, that is how to tilt DJI Neo camera up, or how to tilt DJI Neo camera down. And admittedly, my point of failure is that I didn't do an extended hold. I just did a quick press. You've got to hold See that right part? You gotta hold you gotta tap once and then hold down, or hold while you're going up. And then see, once you get it to where you want it, then you can release. But you gotta do a quick tap and then a hold to drag. Because if you don't hold and drag, if you just try to tap and drag, it's not gonna work. And that's where I was messing up. Nobody's a drone expert. If they claim to be, they're a liar. Okay, let's put this sucker down. Let's see if I can land it in my hand. Nah. Let's just land it on the table. Let's see if I can land it on top of my drone case over there. See that case? See, I got that umbrella. I got some challenging maneuvering to do, man. Let's see if I can land it on top of that case. No! Are you okay? You okay, man? It's durable. Got a little scratch on it. A battle scar from the tutorial. DJI Neo, tilt camera up. Or DJI Neo, tilt camera down tutorial. And that crash was not intentional. So some of y'all are like, man, you don't know how to fly a drone. And some of y'all are like, hey, this is an honest video. And I will tell you, and I will assure you, this is an honest video. Like all my drone videos, I don't doctor this stuff up. I'm not reporting to any sort of agency. You know, I don't have to do something or say something a certain way. I can do whatever I want to. And if that entails a drone crash, that's fine. As long as it's in a safe and responsible location. Obviously, there was no possibility of injuring anyone or damaging anything there. It was an umbrella on a wrought iron table. Camera's fine. That was the one thing I was worried about. I wanted to make sure I didn't scratch my DJI Neo's lens. But that's how to use DJI Neo camera tilt. Hope this tutorial was of value. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video. And check out my DJI Neo videos playlist. I've got a ton of DJI Neo videos now and thousands more coming soon. And if you're shopping for the Neo, the case like I use, any of the accessories, expand this video's description and then click the links there. Thanks for your viewership. Ask your questions below, post your comments, mean, nasty, vicious, polite. I don't care. And I'll try my best to post a video response to your questions, comments, and or questions and comments. That's why I'm here. So as a reminder, like always, I am the drone evangelist, and always practice and preach safe and responsible drone use. And I encourage everyone to be your own drone evangelist. Practice and preach safe and responsible drone use. Whenever you're enjoying that drone, be safe, responsible, and preach drone safety. Because if we don't, this hobby may cease to exist. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Iric Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.